Hi beauties! Today I brought to you this magic eyeliner and eyelashes. They are magnetic, so you can put the eyeliner and stick the eyelashes using the magnetic feature that is very trendy right now and everyone is using it. It's super easy, especially if you are as bad as wearing the eyelashes like me. I'm going to show you how I'm going to wear it. This is an amazing set. It comes with one tweezer to install the eyelashes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of eyelashes of different lengths. This eyeliner, you need to shake it well before you apply it above your eyelash line. Make sure it's still wet before you apply the lashes. Okay, so you put the eyeliner and then the eyelashes, you grab them with a tweezer and then apply them on your eyes. I'm grabbing here the lashes. You can use a tweezer as well. Just to put the lashes on the eyeliner line that you drew and they will stick using the magnetic force. It took me less than 2 minutes to apply both fake eyelashes. It's super easy, really nice, and all you need to do is pull them out to take them out without pulling out your real lashes. Thank you for watching.